Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use Telegram on your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Let's open up the App Store on your iPhone and tap on search at the bottom right. After you're here, all you need to do is search for Telegram here. So I'm going to enter in Telegram and hit install. So this will install it to your phone. And after you've done that, you can see it's pretty quick. We'll open it up and I'll walk you through the process. So once you first open it up, you'll be able to see this screen and you can tap start messaging. Now, all you need to do is enter in your phone number and it will text you a code. So I entered my phone number. Of course, the country code needs to be where your country is and hit continue. Is this correct? Let's hit continue. Now, it will ask you potentially for a password. If you previously set one up, you can see I previously set up a password because I had an account. So I'll just autofill that. But of course, if you're setting it up for the first time, it won't ask you for that password. It'll just text you a code. Now it says it wants to access my contacts. So I'm going to hit a continue and I'm going to hit share all contacts and allow notifications. Now, I don't need it to use Siri, so don't allow. Now, the next thing I would recommend doing is tapping settings at the bottom right, and you'll be able to see your name and your phone number. I would tap on edit at the top right here. You can hit set a new phone number. You can edit your age. You can basically change your phone number, your username, etc. And then you can tap on chat and then tap the pencil and paper icon at the top right and start chatting with people that are on Telegram.